Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Urbn Power 20000mAh power bank. On the front of the box, we have an image of the power bank itself. On the left hand side, we have a few of the salient features which include dual charging functionality, USB Type-C input, safe charging, and 12-watt fast charging. On the left hand side of the box, we have some Urbn Power branding and the Made in India symbol. The right hand side of the box is exactly the same as the left. Up top, we have some more Urbn Power branding, and on the bottom, we have the BIS certification symbol. On the back of the box, we have some of the technical specifications, which include a lithium polymer battery. Input 1 has a micro USB port with DC 5 volts at 2 amperes. Input 2 is a USB Type-C port with DC 5 volts at 2 amps as well. The dual USB outputs are 5 volts at 2.4 amps or 12 watts. The dimensions of the power bank are 13 centimeters by 7.1 centimeters by 2.6 centimeters. On the right hand side, we have a few more of the salient features which include LED indicator, universal compatibility, 20000 mAh capacity, and some warranty information is here as well, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Over here we have an illustration about the different devices that can be charged using this power bank and how many times over they can be charged. For example, an iPhone 11 Pro can be charged 4 times over. Same with the Samsung Galaxy S10. A OnePlus 7 can be charged 3.5 times and an iPad mini can be charged 3 times. Over here we have an illustration of the compatibility options of this power bank. Basically, it is compatible with tablets, Android smartphones, iPhones, and more like Bluetooth headphones. Over here we have some of the manufacturing information, and on the bottom we have the details regarding the customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. The inside we get some literature in the form of the user manual. It should be relatively simple to use, but we recommend that you read through this once before you start using the power bank. Next up is the warranty card, and it has all the information that you would need to register for the warranty. But once again, please consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next is the charging cable. It has a USB Type-A interface on one end and a USB Type-C interface on the other. The whole thing is approximately 8 to 8.5 inches long. You can use this cable to charge the power bank or use the cable to charge a device via the power bank. Coming to the power bank itself, we can see that it is quite compact for a 20000 mAh device. It has a dark navy blue color theme going for it with an orange power button that really stands out around the navy blue. On the front, we have the Urbn badge. Up top, we have 4 LED lights that will show you how much charge the power bank has left, and it will also show you when it is charging. The top surface has an indentation like design, almost like a golf ball, while the rest of it is quite smooth. Up top, we have the input and output ports. On the sides, we have 2 USB Type-A ports. These are the output ports. And in the middle, we have a USB Type-C port and a micro USB port. These ports can be used to charge the power bank itself. On the back, we have a few of the technical specifications. Basically, it's the same thing that we read off the box. So let's see this power bank in action now. Here we have a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. We can just use this one. And we also have a USB Type-C compatible Android smartphone. Hopefully, when we connect the power bank to the smartphone, it should start charging it. So this was the unboxing of the Urbn Power 20,000 mAh power bank. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.